Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the user data scripts in EC2. Like how to call EC2 user data script and what is the troubleshooting steps. How if user data script is failed in a once, right? So how we can recall this, right? I will explain end to end. Let's start. So basically we are going to launch an EC2 instance and user data and select AMI. So, okay, this is I can select Amazon 2 and this is Amazon 2 T2 micro. I will take it T2 small. It's a little higher speed. Then this is a key to log in. Everybody knows about that. And this is the public subnet. Usually I used to. And security group. My lab and this is I have already created some video on EC2 and we can select metadata accessible, enabled, metadata v2, select top, allow tag enabled, and this is the user data field, right? So let me copy. I'm just going to install httpd. This is httpd and let me do that. It just launched. Let me stop for a moment. Let's come back when it is up. Once it is up and running, this is started. So let me go through. This is the user, copy, and just opening putty and paste. I hope this is the SSH. By default EC2 -, user sudo bash history, nothing in history, exit history, nothing in history, sudo bash. So let's hope everybody knows about that. This is our script, so it's installed the httpd and all. So let me go the web server. This is here, this is IP, and it's automatically, so now it's working. So let's see how we can check that, right? What is the if any issues, so how we will check if somehow if once it is a failed, so it is a once per instance, right? It will be executed once per instance, right? If you can again reboot, it will not execute. But I will show you how, if somehow first time it got failed, so how we can do that. So let's say first cd where logs and cat cloud init. So where we can check cloud init, cloud init.log and cloud init output. So we need to check output. So see, this is up and running, and then our installing is start, right, after final, right? Hope you are getting right. Running httpdx transaction and all, right? http package we need to install, right? And once it is installed, and okay, this is the complete. Just a second, guys. Okay, guys, this is now, I think it's clear. It's installed. And what is the next step, like how we can check over the console? So I will show you. Go to the server, user data, action, and get system logs. So here we can also check. It will take us some time, and this is not coming. Okay, guys, now it is coming, right? So we can check here. It's this is showing now, right? So we can check here itself, and apart from that troubleshooting, let me start. Let's suppose this has got failed. So how we can do that? So where it is main directly, where lib cloud, okay, cat etc asterisk release, right? So it's Amazon too. So we were, this is the this, okay. Here it is the data cd data. What is this? Cat instance id, that is the instance id 8035. Okay, let me show you 8035. Okay, and here is the previous and all instance id and all these things. Let's suppose cd instances ls. This is the instance id 8035, and ls, this is semaphore. So what semaphore? Cat config, by the name config is split per once, okay, per instance id it will be executed once. Okay, so this is, and next, this is the path. Okay, one more path, run, it's a cloud init. So this is also a path. So here itself also this, right? And pwd. Okay, cloud hyphen init status done hyphen long, we can check. Okay, And one more thing, we can check if you want to execute this, right, again. So you need to start and stop the instance, but as for now it's executed successfully, so it will not be a re-execute again, will not, it's a once. Okay, so what we need to do, this is my basic testing. So we just need, what need to do, we have need to be deleted entire things, right, ls hyphen la, because one, you have to hidden file as well. Just you need to rm hyphen rf, just like asterisk ls hyphen la. Okay, rm hyphen rf, this is once it is deleted. Okay, go cd where log rm hyphen rf, these two file, cd where live clouds. Okay, ls cd data ls rm hyphen rf asterisk ls la, nothing is data, ls cd rm instance, yes, ls cd sam strict script, nothing, cd this ls cd instances ls. Okay, nothing, we are having nothing right now. Okay, so cd where log, this is, here is no cloud in it, just need to stop the instance and start the instance. Okay, it will re-execute your bootable script. I have tested at my end in a very deep way, it is working fine, and this is my uh, release. Okay, okay, Amazon too, so that is working fine at my end, right? Okay, so I'll show you immediately, and let me shut down my instance. Okay, so I'm going right away as per your stop. Yes, let me stop for myself. Okay, for this video. Hello guys, this is still now stopping. Okay, so once it's stop, I will be back, right? This is now its stop state. Okay, stop the set, let me restart in front of you, and this is running. Let me wait for a moment. Okay guys, that is in running state. Copy it, go to the putty, and before login we can check directly, but I just want to show you the logs. Okay, user sudo bash cd var log cat cloud init hyphen output. Okay, so it will come inside this, right? Okay, that is the once again it's stuck. Okay guys, so let's suppose because it was missed from my end, so cloud init hyphen output, and we can check. So it was already installed, right? Our script is executed again, but first time it was not installed. Right now it's installed, and then we do not require anything because first time it was installed. We just need to remove all these things, and now it is again executed. So this is a second way to do that, right? If you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.